Sir William Allan was born 1782, died February 23, 1850, was a distinguished Scottish historical painter known for his scenes of Russian life. He became president of the Royal Scottish Academy and was made a Royal Academician. He was educated at the High School, Edinburgh, under William Nicol, the companion of Robert Burns, showing an aptitude for art. He was apprenticed to a coach painter, and studied under John Graham at the Trustees Academy, with David Wilkie, John Burnet, and Alexander George Fraser. Here Allan and Wilkie were placed at the same table, studied the same designs, and contracted a lifelong friendship. After a few years he came to London, and entered the schools of the Royal Academy. His first exhibited picture was a Gipsy Boy with an ass, in the style of John Opie. Not finding success in London, in 1805 he travelled, by ship, to Russia, but was wrecked at Memel, where he raised funds for the remaining journey by painting portraits of the Dutch consul and others. He then proceeded overland to St. Petersburg, passing through a great portion of the Russian army on its way to Austerlitz. At the Russian capital he found friends, including Sir Alexander Crichton, physician to the imperial family. Having learned Russian, he traveled in the interior of the country, and spent several years in Ukraine, making excursions to Turkey, Tartary, and elsewhere, studying the culture of Cossacks, Circassians, and Tartars, and collecting arms and armour. In 1809 his picture Russian Peasants Keeping Their Holiday was exhibited at the Royal Academy. His wish to return home in 1812 had to be postponed due to the French invasion of Russia, many of the horrors of which he witnessed firsthand. Allan was able to return to Edinburgh in 1814, and, in 1815, his picture Circassian Captives attracted notice at the Royal Academy. In 1826 Allan was appointed Master of the Trustees School, Edinburgh, an office which he held until a few years before his death. In 1834 he visited Spain and Morocco, and in the same year he produced The Orphan, which represented Scott's daughter Anne seated near the chair of her deceased father. In 1835 he was elected a Royal Academician, and in 1838, on the death of Sir George Watson, was made President of the Royal Scottish Academy. In 1841 he went to St. Petersburg, and in the same year succeeded Wilkie as limner to the Queen in Scotland, an office which was, as usual, followed by a knighthood.